this is Rebecca with Booming in LA, and today I'm going to be exploring South Pasadena. It's one of my favorite areas to hang out in. I live nearby near Altadena, so I just love to hang out around this area because there's so many historic buildings and homes and just really cool things. So I'm starting off at the Fork in the Road, which is an art installation that's almost at the border of South Pasadena. It actually starts at Columbia, and this is Bellefontaine. It's just such a cool exhibit. It's just sitting there. Check it out. This is the War Memorial Building on Fair Oaks, and it was built in 1923 to honor World War I veterans. This tree right here was planted by General Pershing. It's gotten really big over the years, and it's really nice. And then right here, you can see a cannon, which is pretty cool. This is an old bridge that used to be used for the Santa Fe Railroad, which is right behind the War Memorial Building. Also near the War Memorial Building, it's a waiting area built with Arroyo Seco rocks, which is nearby, near where the Rose Bowl is. And you'll see quite a few of these rocks all over Pasadena and several other waiting stations. So the bridge is called the Oaklawn Bridge, and this is the Oaklawn Bridge waiting station. Do you want to go back in time? This is the Fair Oaks Pharmacy soda fountain. Right now it's closed because I'm out here really early in the morning on a Sunday because otherwise it would be super hot today. And also, I can get better parking. But this is a great place to get an egg cream. There are also lots of fun shops and boutiques down the street. This is Mission Boulevard. This is the corner of Mission and Meridian, and this is where the South Pasadena Metro stop is for the A line. It used to be called the Gold Line. And there's just all kinds of great little shops and restaurants over here, so it's a nice place to hang out also. This is the LA Metro platform at South Pasadena, and right in here is where they have an incredible farmers market every Thursday evening. It's so nice, and it's just a great time for the community to come out and have fun. This is a statue of the walking man. This is another example of Arroyo Seco stones. It's called the Watering Trough. It was erected in 1906 by the Women's Improvement Association as a rest stop for horses and men as they traveled between Los Angeles and Pasadena. And here's a side view of it. It's very cool. A lot of people hang out here during the farmers market to eat and just enjoy each other. And we've got a very cool street clock sitting here too. This is the South Pasadena Historical Museum, and it used to be an ironworks building, blacksmiths, ironworks, things like that. And now it's a museum. This building right over here is called the Alexander Building, and we've got a little cafe right at the end, or actually it's a bakery. This is another historical building. It used to be a bank building, and now it's a coffee house, but it's really beautiful. The building was South Pasadena's first bank. Check out this amazing tree at the South Pasadena Library. The library was built in 1906 and received $10,000 from the Carnegie Foundation. Andrew Carnegie visited the library in 1910. The library was moved to where it is now in 1928. It's a relaxing place to sit and read. The library complex is beautiful, and at the end of it is the Senior Citizens Center. The Carnegie Library marker is to the left of the steps leading to the community room that was built in 1930. This whole area has beautiful homes. Check out this beautiful Craftsman house, but they're just all over the place. This whole area has an old-timey feel, and it's been used as a filming location. As you can see, there are all kinds of boutiques and gastropubs and cafes and just all kinds of fun stuff. These businesses are set in the historic Alexander block, which adds to the atmosphere and makes it even more fun. This building with shops used to be the Mission Hotel, built in 1923. If you want to get some amazing barbecue, you have to go to Gus's. It's been here ever since the 1940s, and I can tell you from experience, it is super yummy. The old Rialto Theater in South Pasadena was built in 1925 by architect Louis A. Smith, who also designed the Vista Theater on Sunset Boulevard. It's no longer open to the public, but it's one of the few remaining grand theaters from the early 20th century in Los Angeles. You may remember seeing it in the film La La Land. Another great old building on Fair Oaks Boulevard is the South Pasadena Masonic Lodge, which was built in 1930. This is another of those Arroyo Seco stone waiting areas, and this was used for the old Raymond Hotel that used to sit on top of a hill. Unfortunately, it's no longer there, but the waiting area still remains, and it's beautiful. The oldest building in South Pasadena is the Flores Adobe, built in 1845. After the final Battle of California during the Mexican-American War, the defeated commanders met there. Another place to visit in South Pasadena is Arlington Garden. It's a free community garden with beautiful places to sit and relax. It even has a labyrinth. Make sure to purchase some of its homemade marmalade. Right across the street is Story Stern's Japanese Garden with its authentic tea house. It's open for special events, including its annual tea festival. I hope you enjoyed my tour of South Pasadena and hope you come visit.